In this virtual tour of Florence, we're going to show you our favorite 9 things to see in the city. Number 9. Piazzale Michelangelo. Here you can see one of the best views of Florence and the replica of Michelangelo's David. From here you can see the old city, from Ponte Vecchio, Palazzo Vecchio and the Duomo. Number 8. The Boboli Gardens. This beautiful Renaissance garden are located just behind Palazzo Pitti, the palace of the Grand Duke of Tuscany. The gardens has many fountains and beautiful views of the city. Number 7. Santa Croce. This is the principal Franciscan church in Florence. It is the burial place of some of the most illustrious Italians, such as Michelangelo, Galileo and Macchiavelli. Number 6. San Lorenzo Market. This beautiful market is the best place to grab a quick lunch or shop for food souvenirs, like Tuscan olive oil or Chianti. Number 5. Michelangelo's David. The statue is located in the Galleria dell'Accademia. You can also see a replica of David's in front of Palazzo Vecchio. This was the original spot where the statue was located. Number 4. The UFFIZI Gallery. This beautiful paint gallery is one of the most famous in Italy and in the world. Here you can see masterpieces from Botticelli, Raphael, and Leonardo da Vinci, among many others. Number 3. Ponte Vecchio. This beautiful bridge is the oldest bridge in Florence and is still lined with many stores that sells jewelry. This is also the only remaining bridge of Old Florence, because during World War II all the other bridges were destroyed. Number 2. Piazza della Signoria. This was the political center of Florence, with Palazzo Vecchio, City Hall. Outside you can see the original spot of the David. And you can also admire the Perseus by Benvenuto Cellini. Number 1. The Duomo. This amazing church is probably one of the most recognizable landmarks in Florence, with its beautiful white, green and red marble facade, and the campanile by Giotto. Its dome was the biggest one in the world till they built St. Peter's in Rome. We hope you liked this virtual tour. If you did, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.